Hello everyone, Science 1 Standard 10 lesson number 3 chemical reactions and equations. This is 8th video and we are learning types of chemical reaction. In this video we'll see the decomposition reaction. The decomposition reaction. In the decomposition reaction, one compound breaks into two or more simpler substances. Let's we have a substance AB, it decomposes and break down into two substances A and B. This is a decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, you have a two or more product, but remember only one single reactant. This reaction is exactly opposite of combination reaction. In combination reaction, we have two or more reactant but only single product. But here we have a single reactant and two or more product. So once again, in the decomposition reaction we have a two or more product but single one reactant. Let's have an example. If we heat sugar in evaporating dish, after some time you will see the formation of burn out black substance. This single reactant sugar is divided into two substances, carbon and water. This is the reaction in which only one reactant giving rise to two or more product. So therefore this is decomposition reaction. Next example, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide naturally undergoes slow decomposition into water and oxygen. So this you can see here we have a single one reactant but two or more products. Next example, decomposition of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate undergoes decomposition reaction and the carbon dioxide gas is formed. And when this carbon dioxide gas passes through lime water, the lime water turns milky. So reaction is calcium carbonate, on heating we will get calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. Next example, this example we have studied in previous standard that water decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen gas on passing electric current through acidulated water. This decomposition takes place by means of electric energy. Therefore, it is called electrolysis. This is known as electrolysis. Why? Because electric current is used to decompose the compound. Remember, this reaction is exactly opposite of what did in combination reaction where hydrogen and oxygen combines to form water. So the chemical we can define from above example, the chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant is called decomposition reaction. So in this video we have learned decomposition reaction. In next video we'll see displacement reaction. Children, many degradation process takes place in the nature surrounding us. Organic waste is decomposed by microorganisms and as a result manure and biogas are formed, and biogas is used as a fuel. So in the next video we'll see displacement reaction. Thank you.